and welcome back to TechStack channel. Today we'll try to explore to find even number or odd number. So user giving some input from this side. So and now we need to find the whether it is an even number or odd number. So first of all, we'll try to export the UiPath and later we'll go move to the Automation Anywhere and Python and VBA. So now I'm going to the UiPath Studio. So already I have designed this code. So for the first of all, I taken the input dialog box. So in this dialog box, I entered the dialog title. So please enter your input and input label also I keep the same thing and input type message box. And I'm saving the whatever the user giving the one variable data that I'm saving into the one variable which we call user input. And this is the data type is integer. Okay, once this is done, I am assigning one more variable here output. So in this assign variable, so I just checking. So if user input, so user is giving one input mod to it divided is equals to 0 or not. Okay, if it is equals to 0, then so user given is a number is even number. Else if it is not equal to 0, then user given as an odd number. And finally, I'm showing the message box here. So user input dot to string. So whatever the number is there, now that just I'm converting to the string and I'm saying the output. So now I will run this bot. So first of all, I'm giving the dual number. So anyway, it is even number. So and we can see the output as also even number. Now we'll explore for the odd number. So I'm giving the number 17, 177, whatever it may be. So and we can see 177 is odd number. So this is a way how we can find the even number or odd number in the UiPath. So now we'll move to the automation anywhere. So this is automation anywhere. So first of all, I'm giving the one input to the user. So user will enter the data. So whatever the enter the data, I'm storing into the str input. Okay, you can see this here. So I give the prop and window. So calculation even or number and giving the prompt number message as please provide the number and whatever the data he is giving, just I'm storing into the str input. Okay. After that, the str input, I'm just converting to the into the number variable. So whatever the user giving here by default, it store at as a string. So just I'm converting to the integer. After that, I'm just dividing that number. So divided by 2. So if he is given by 2, so 2 divided by 2. Okay. Just if it's giving by 7, so it's not 3.5 output. So after that, whatever the num output, so just I'm converting to the decimal thing. Okay, and we can see this decimal dot. I mean, decimal is 2. So, for example, if we give the input is 6, then it will talk 6 3.00. Okay, now let me run this till here. Okay, now I will just give the input. Here, entering the input as 6 and click on that OK. And we can see this 3.00. I'm just checking after that dot 00. So these two digits equals to 0 or not. If two digits is equals to 0, then user given a even number. If this is not equals to 0, then user given a odd number. So now let me click on OK. So 6 is a even number. So let me close and we'll export for the odd number as well. So let me give the odd number, some random number I will give it here. Okay, I given some random number. Okay, random number came to the even number. Let me run one more time. So you can see I given the input as 27 and we can see the output and this is the odd number. So this is the way how we can identify even or odd number in Automation Anywhere. So now I will go with the VBA. So here you can see the couple of the line numbers. So here the first step is we need to declare the procedure. So it will start with the sub and end with the end sub. And you can give the title even or odd. And here I'm assigning, I mean, just I'm giving the one line of code here. So what it will do now, it will just give the prompt to the user. So he can enter that number. After that, I'm checking mod 2 is equals to 0 or not. So if it is equals to 0, then it's even number. If it is not equal to 0, then it's odd number. So let me enter the some number here. So to 1,261 is odd number. And now I will just give the one more rough number. So 70 I given. So this is a even number. So this is the way how we can do in the VBA script. And finally, we'll go with the Python one. Okay, here also the number which is given user to the number. So he will enter that number. After that, I'm checking the percentage by 2 is equals to 0 or not. So if this condition is satisfied, then it print the number as even. If not satisfied, it will go to the odd number. So I'm running this bot again. So and we can see. So I need to give the number. So I given the number 47 is odd. So let me try for the even as well. So I give the 48. Okay, let me 8 hours is fine. Okay, it shows some error. So I given wrong input here. Let me run one more time. So I given 48. So 46 is even. So this is the ways how we can do find even or odd number with the RPA tools and two different scripting languages, Python and VBA. Okay, just post your comments which is you liked. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure to hit that like button, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn off notifications so you never miss an upload.